Ultrasonic pregnancy scanning of the bitch has several advantages. Firstly, early determination of certain pregnancy. Secondly, a close approximation of the litter size, enabling adjustments to diet to be made where necessary. And thirdly, in the later stages, fetal size may be measured, enabling anticipation of problems during whelping. The technique causes no stress to the animal. Gel is applied to the abdomen and the probe is then passed gently backwards and forwards. An image is then relayed to the screen. Here we are showing a pregnancy of approximately 4.5 weeks duration, and we are looking at the one uterine horn only. 2 feti are evident, the body of the lower fetus being readily discernible. Here we are able to see the body of the upper fetus and the division between upper and lower. In this picture, it is possible to distinguish the head and body of the lower fetus. Moving across the bitch, a third fetus appears in the top left-hand corner. This fetus is very active. Its body and legs can be seen moving quite clearly. The cervix shows in the center of the image, and now in the left-hand side of the picture, part of the left uterine horn containing further feti may be seen. This is now a real size image. The machines have facilities for accurate measurements, but imaging on this scale enables greater understanding of development rates, and the feti show quite clearly. The final picture of this pregnancy shows all 3 feti in the left uterine horn, 1, 2 and 3. We now move on to a pregnancy of 8 weeks. It is immediately obvious that the puppies are very large. Bone structure is showing quite clearly, and here we are looking along the backbone of one large fetus. A further body is apparent in the right of the picture, and a head shows in the center. Looking more closely at the body on the right, the heart can be seen beating clearly. Moving across the bitch, a head appears in the center, and we can follow this through to the body of that feti. And here the heart and alimentary canal are very clear. As we look around inside the bitch, it is obvious that all available space has been filled by the feti. Scanning indicates that there is no further room for growth. This bitch was overweight at mating, and overfeeding during the pregnancy has resulted in overlarge feti. Stress is apparent in the fetal heart rate. The feti are so packed that there is no longer any possibility of a normal delivery, as no space is available for correct presentation to be achieved. 5 puppies were subsequently delivered by caesarean section at 8.5 weeks. If this bitch had been scanned throughout the pregnancy and a strict diet adhered to, a normal delivery may have been possible. Ultrasonic pregnancy scanning of the bitch has several advantages. Firstly, early determination of certain pregnancy. Secondly, a close approximation of the litter size, enabling adjustments to diet to be made where necessary. And thirdly, in the later stages, fetal size may be measured, enabling anticipation of problems during whelping. The technique causes no stress to the animal. Gel is applied